Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for being here. So this is going to be my first video in a new series, I hope, of what I like to call flashback videos. These are videos of content that I did throughout the ownership of my C8, but I wasn't able to post because I was involved in a lawsuit with my old job, and I had to put a pause on YouTube and really social media during that time. But now that it's over, I did do a video on that, so if you haven't checked it out, I do kind of fully explain the whole situation. But now that that's out of the way, I've gone back and I've checked, my old SD cards that have that content, and I do believe I have enough stuff to at least make 3 fun and engaging videos for you guys. So this is going to be the first one in a series that I like to call my flashback series, and in this video we're going to be talking about the exhaust that I installed on my 2024 C8 Corvette. And honestly, it's been such a fun modification that I had done to the car. It really brings that 6.2 liter sound to life. The exhaust is from AWE. I got their touring exhaust because I didn't want my neighbors to fully hate me. They do have a track exhaust, which is a lot louder, but I do think that the touring is just perfect. So, like I mentioned, I am redoing the intro to the video. So this is present me talking to you guys right now. What you're going to see after the video cuts is 2-year-old me, because I did this back in September. But honestly, such a great mod. You guys are going to hear a before and after of the stock exhaust compared to the new AWE exhaust. So I do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, leave a like and a comment down below as well. And thank you guys again for 400 subscribers. I really do appreciate the love and support you guys have been giving me throughout the channel. And yeah, with that said, let's go put on a new exhaust from the past. All right, we are here at Mike's Performance Exhaust, and the C8 is going in. This will be the last time she sounds like that. All right, guys. It is a little loud in here, but it's going to take about 5 hours to get this job done. A lot of it is because they have a couple other cars here that they're doing. But obviously, if you've seen C8 videos before, they have to remove the whole rear bumper to really get in there and do the exhaust. So it's going to take about 5 hours. I unfortunately have to take care of a few things that kind of just came up last minute. So the car's going to stay here. They said it should be done by 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It is 12 right now. So yeah, I mean, hopefully I can ask them if they can take some video of it so I can use it for the YouTube video. But I'm super excited. AWE exhaust is going on the C8. I was going to save it towards the end of the video, but there you go. So stay tuned. And yeah, should be a lot of fun. I'm excited. It's hard to believe that this is what's under the C8s. All of this is about 100 pounds, I think, roughly. So according to AWE, I should be saving about 50 pounds more or less with their new exhaust system. And I will be getting rid of these square tips. there you guys have it. AWE exhaust on my C8 Corvette. Honestly, it's been one of the best mods I've done. It's such a great sounding exhaust system. I highly recommend it. From you guys, this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. They didn't sponsor me or nothing. So with that being said, I am actually on my way to In-N-Out right now because I'm hungry, the wife's hungry. So I'll probably capture some video for you guys, some sound bits of the engine in motion with the exhaust. I probably played it already at the beginning of the video, but if I didn't, I'll be playing it right here at the end. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to catch my next video. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Sounds really good in the cabin. Let's go waste $20 of gas.